Tron Light Cycle. Is it good? Is it great? Is it just okay? We're gonna let you know, and we're gonna do it in probably under 6 minutes. That's the goal.
Ooh, nice.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello.
A very special event tonight. We're at the Magic Kingdom for cast member testing of Tron Light Cycle.
Yes.
Now, we're not cast members.
No.
But we know some, and they were very kind to invite us, so
Absolutely.
we're gonna take it for a spin and let you know what we think.
So excited.
We're gonna pause here for a picture, and then I'm gonna give you some important information, some notables, as we walk up the queue here. There is a height requirement for Tron Light Cycle Run, and that is 48 inches. You have to be at least 48 inches to ride. The top speed of this coaster is almost 60 miles per hour. The ride vehicles, it's 2 per row. Now there is accommodation seating in the last row in a couple of the trains. Now we will have to utilize this double-sided locker system. There are no fanny packs allowed and really no bags at all. There is a small compartment on the actual roller coaster that you can store some small items such as your phone. But really, if you have a bag, you're going to have to use this locker system, and we're going to test it out, see how well it works. The ride is about 1 minute in length. Now the ride vehicle does have sort of a unique restraint system, so we are really going to analyze this as far as back comfort and overall ride comfort. Any first impressions of this outside queue?
It's huge. Oh my gosh, it's
Big.
beautiful. Of all these years been waiting to get underneath this thing, it's amazing. And this time of night is just beautiful.
Yeah. We're gonna try to wait a little bit until it's a little darker for our ride though.
Yeah, it's awe-inspiring. I mean, it's a work of art over here. I really think it's beautiful.
Not too many words, Nikki. I'm trying to do this in under 6 minutes. FYI, we did watch both movies to prep for this ride, the 1982 version and the 2010 version, and then I Googled it. There's going to be a third one in 2025. So yeah, watch the movie before you come on the ride. When Tron officially opens, it will become the second fastest attraction in all of Walt Disney World Resorts. At 65 miles per hour, Test Track is still #1. And as the sun sets on the Magic Kingdom, we are one step closer to riding Tron. I want it to be a little bit darker though.
All right, Rick is big and tall, so he's gonna try out the test seat.
Yes, I fit.
You fit?
So I seem to fit. Let's do it. We're not really indoors yet. This is sort of an indoor-outdoor atrium, and it says, "Welcome Team Blue." That's us. We're the users. Team Blue. Now we're inside.
Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Whoa, what a reveal. And now we're really inside the queue. We can see the ride vehicles. Woo! I feel like that should be my team though. Okay, we're going to use the locker right now. Just scan your ticket or your magic band. Remember your number. Ours is 602. Gotta put my hat in there. Good size little locker there. Nikki says you do have to hold it open. Okay, and it turned off, so yeah, we're good.
We're good.
We're secure. Okay, we've been digitized. We've placed our items in a locker. We're gonna remember that locker number, 602. Don't forget it. And in just a second here, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. We'll be blasting off. Are you excited or nervous or both?
I'm a little nervous. Anytime I get on a new ride that I've never been on before, I'm always a little nervous, but I think I'm mostly excited.
All right, we're next. We are really excited.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Victory! Well done, Tron.
Watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
And now we just have to get our stuff out of locker 602, and we're gonna tell you all about our experience. But before we leave the locker station, I just want to comment, it worked perfectly for us. And there we have it, our first time ever on Tron Light Cycle Run. What do we think, Nikki?
Well, I loved it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and just start.
Say what we think, baby.
Okay, I really liked it. Now, in terms of this versus Guardians of the Galaxy, I like Guardians a little bit better.
I would consider Guardians a better, Cosmic Rewind a better coaster, yeah.
Right. But this one was great because you felt like you were racing the whole time. So like you were engaged in kind of the story from start to finish of being a race. Does that make sense?
It's a very fun coaster.
Yeah.
You know, the start is quick enough. You know, super fun start. I would say this is totally a nighttime ride.
Oh yeah.
Best at night.
For sure. It was great going through at night. Could have been even darker when we went.
Even though, you know, it's probably like 70% indoors, 30% outdoors.
Yeah.
It's mainly an indoor coaster.
It really is. The graphics and the visual technology was just amazing.
Because
so
it's not,
bright.
I wouldn't say it's like heavy on roller coaster maneuvers.
Right.
But it is visually stunning.
It is. Oh, and I had a blast on it. One caveat though is for me it hit differently than it hit for you.
Yeah.
So like for me it totally hit my stomach and I didn't feel anything on my calves at all. So like I was like thinking, and thank goodness I didn't have like a big meal before we came over because it was hitting my stomach in the wrong spot.
That's funny. But I think for back comfort, it was fine. To me,
oh yeah, for my back it was fine.
I used to own a Honda Interceptor back in the day.
Yes,
so
you did.
Other than pressure on my shins, it felt very much like I was on a motorcycle.
Okay.
Yeah. So I give it an A+ for feeling that, having that motorcycle feel.
All right. So a friend of ours who went with us had the seats in the very back.
Right.
And so that it was a lap restraint.
Okay.
And still felt like it was a great ride.
Right.
In the back.
And we know people who have done both.
Yes. And motion sickness. The person who, or not motion sickness, but they felt the motion a little bit differently in the seated position versus
the bike style.
Yeah, the bike position.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was a great ride though. I really like it. I think it's a good addition to Magic Kingdom.
Totally.
Yeah, totally. They needed it here, and they, definitely, came through. It's a blast.
But if you want to judge like by thrill, like can you handle it? I think it's more of a family-friendly style coaster.
Yes, I think so.
So if you're not into like really crazy coasters, you can handle this one and have a good time.
Oh, for sure.
So there you go, everything you need to know about Tron Light Cycle in under 6 minutes. I'm sure I did it in under 6.
We think.
If I did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right.
And as always,
I'm Eddie.
I'm Mary.
Don't miss the magic.
Don't miss the fun. Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun.
See you next time.